गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल द beautyyyy। तो आज मेरे पास हुडा ब्यूटी का ये रोज गोल्ड पैलेट है, वेरी फेमस पैलेट रिमास्टर्ड। तो आज इसका रिव्यू करते हैं, चलो। तो दिस इज द पैलेट हुडा ब्यूटी रोज गोल्ड रिमास्टर्ड। This palette has so many shades in it. So let's start reviewing it. Okay, so let's start with the swatches. This is the shade Dubai. The next shade here with us is Fling. It's highly pigmented. The next one is Trust Fund. The fourth one and the famous one is the rose gold shade. Next is Pink Diamond. These are all the shimmer shades. 24K gold. These are the matte ones. We have this. We have doll face, which is the pink shade. We have a nude skin color shade, which is demure. Then we have a glitter shade, Blessed. You can see. Moon Dust, again a shimmer shade. Bubbly. The most intense color, Black Truffle. See how much pigmented they are. The next it's Suede. This is a grayish brown shade. Next we have nice dark brown cocoa color. Ooh. Miniature, which is a red color. Henna, mehendi color. It is a orangish brown color. I can see some shimmer particles in it, a matte shimmer. And the last is Sandalwood. see more videos like this, subscribe my channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you. Bye.